To understand the anatomy of DJing as a craft, let's start by getting to know the anatomy of the turntable. It is easy. We DJs are ready to sacrifice sterility of sound for the sake of motor power. The needle of any record removes the mechanical vibration. The needle is almost a microphone along the slotted paths. All the manipulations I'm telling you about are only necessary to ensure that the needle of our turntable sits strictly in the center of the groove of the track for optimum sound quality. It is easy. Let's check the level of the second turntable. We can see that our bubble has gone sideways. Voila! Step 1 is complete. If you are using the popular bolt plate method as your anti-skating setting, this is a mistake. It wouldn't hurt to look it up in a mixing console. Let's take a look at the mixture. It is easy.